Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up Convertkit, or how you can embed Convertkit forms and things of that nature on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, Convertkit is now known as Kit. It dropped the convert part a while back, and it's pretty much used for a variety of different things. I'm not really sure what it is exactly used for. Well, not everything at least, but I do know you can use it to grow your social media influence, your customer base, and things like that, and you can create forms exactly for that. And now to connect ConvertKit with your Squarespace website, we're going to embed a form. And now to do this, we're going to go into Pages, select the page we want, and click on Edit, and we're going to add an embed script, or actually a code block rather. So once we click Code, or add a code block, I'm just going to make it a bit wider. And I'm going to click here, and we can then enter our code over here. But if I go over into Kit, as you can see, I just wanted to grow and go into landing pages and forms, set up a form, and this is just a, template which I have selected. And to use this on your site, what you need to do is click Save, and now everything is saved. And now you click on Publish. As you can see, you get your, I'm pretty sure this is JavaScript code. Yeah, it is. You can use HTML code. You can use whichever code you would like. I do recommend JavaScript. So just copy this JavaScript code that you get over here, and it should now be copied on our dashboard, or on our, what's it called? It doesn't really matter. Clipboard. There we go. But yeah, once you copy that, go over back into your site, locate your code block, select Mode to JavaScript, and then paste your code right over here. And now that we have that, just click Save and Exit. And now once I exit, it should show. All right, for some reason it isn't showing. It is JavaScript code, so I don't know why this isn't working. So let me just go ahead and try to use an embed block. So if we use an embed block, click Edit, go into Code Snippet and Embed Data. If I copy my code here, there we go. The script works. Let's just click Save and Exit. And now if I exit, it should show our form over here. And for some reason, it still isn't showing. There we go. This is a modal form, so it's showing like this. But as you can see, once you add it like that, it's going to show the form on your site. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.